completed my electrical and electronics engineering in 2018. After completing my degree, I was worked in core field. I didn't get much growth in core field. That's why I decided to move to IT field. I planned to do a courses. I saw the Besant Technology through the Google via. When I was entered to the Besant Technology, I saw the Ramesh. He is the manager of the Besant Technology, Bangalore Electronic City. He helped me to choose the courses. I was chosen two courses, one CCNA and Python. He arranged me a good trainers. They are working professionals. They give a good training. Nearly I have attended my courses 4 months. After completing my courses, the trainers are helped me to edit the resume in technically. Besant Technology have a own job portal. I was uploaded my resume in Besant Technology job portal, and they arranged me the placements. After attending 2 to 3 interviews, I was selected in the 3rd interview. I thanks to the Besant Technology as well as HR Hemapriya and manager Ramesh.